In this video, we'll be creating the project planner template in Canva. We'll start by selecting the paper size that I will be selecting the US letter, that is 8.5 into 11. I'm just going to make certain changes in my UI. Add a heading project planner. Select the font of your choice. Make it bold. Reduce the font size so that it can be adjusted on the top left hand side of the page. Then you can select an icon that resembles or corresponds with the word project planner. Reduce that icon to a size and adjust it at the end of the word project planner. Now we are going to add a table. We need a table with 1 row and 4 columns. Write the word priority and followed by high, medium and low, but do not write full high, medium and low. Instead write just H, M and L because we need to reduce the size of these columns. Once you are done adjusting this, take this table to the top right hand side of the page and adjust it with the project planner, that is the heading and its icon. You can give some color to the first column, like in my case I'll be giving it a black and changing the color of the font to white just to indicate that it is a heading. Now we will be adding the another table in which we are going to write the progress. For that again we need 1 rows, but this time we need 11 columns. In the first column we will write the word progress and then followed by 10, 20 up till 100%. Again we'll make the first column black and change its font color to white. Then copy the same table and write the word project, because in this we are going to add the project. Merge all the columns because here we are going to write the name of the project. And then you can again copy the same table, write the word client, and in the empty space, once you will be filling this template, you will write the name of the client. And in the next row we are going to add 2 smaller tables, one indicating the start date and the other one indicating the due date. Again, for the sake of consistency, keep the same color of the first column and keep the other column empty. Duplicate the same table and write due date and take it to the right side of the row. Make sure that both are equal in width for the purpose of symmetry. In the next line you can write the project details. Adjust the width of this column also, and then after this you can write or add the empty lines that are equivalent to the width of the overall page that we are keeping. But before proceeding further, I'm just going to reduce the weight of each line, so in this way it will look more aesthetic, because the thicker lines are giving it a kind of a bad look. So I'm just adding the 10, 20, 30% in the progress columns. Now you can duplicate the lines one by one, and then you can place them one below the other, or you can copy all of them, select all of them simultaneously and make them left align, or distribute them equally both horizontally and vertically. A fine tuning to your template so that each object is equally distant from each other for the sake of symmetry. As the number of lines are more and the space to write between each is less, so I'm just going to delete few lines in order to create more space between the two lines so that we can write easily. So I think now it seems better. You can buy this template. I've given the link in the description. It was created in Canva.